Since eBay has the largest volume of sports card sales, it is the main source for pricing a card. You can view the past sales for a card by searching for the card on eBay specifically by player name, year, manufacturer, set, parallel/variant. For example, Patrick Mahomes 2017 Panini Prism Base. In the filter section, select to show only sold items. This will show you all listings sold for the search term. Using the past sales results, you should be able to estimate a relative price for a card. If there are limited or no results for the search term, you can try searching for a different player of similar value for the same year, manufacturer and parallel or variant. Searching for a similar year card for the same player, manufacturer and parallel or variant. Searching for a similar manufacturer's card for the same player, year or similar parallel or variant. Or searching for a similar parallel or variant for the same player, year and manufacturer.